introduce that to our clients. Obviously we've got the Future Classic book and the Future Classic course in the Academy. For us that's key because that's foundational, it's fundamental. You know, the stronger your foundation is as a training, as a hairdresser, the stronger the hairdresser you're going to be. I always like to use the example of the buildings you see in New York. Before they build them that way, they dig deep. And the deeper they dig, the taller, the better the building. That's the same with hairdressing when it comes to the foundational fundamentals. The deeper, the more disciplined you are as a hairdresser, the better the hairdresser you're going to be. So the Future Classics really cover all of the different techniques that hairdressers have. And obviously help to work with body position, finger position, layers, graduation, one leg, using different techniques to create different results. Very strong, disciplined collection that allows the hairdresser to be the best. Anyway, John, where are we with this hair?
Okay, thank you. So as I was saying previously, we worked the horseshoe to a point, just to the opposite way. We worked in a graduation, taking that short, like an undercut, just keeping it slightly longer just through the back section, so we're going to create a slightly mobile feel through the back. And just in front of the ears, as I was saying earlier on, it's all about suitability. We want to create beautiful haircuts to make ladies look beautiful. So just in front of the ears, just disconnecting a couple of panels, just to leave a little bit of optional length, just to detail that afterwards. What I'm going to do next is just go with the nicest row of technique, work that quite clean, quite tight. It's a very graphic shape, but very modern with the kind of sections we're going to create over the top.
Undercutting is a big part of the collection. If you've seen the collection interactive, you'll see that as though we're moving away from real strong harsh lines. We wanted to re-commercialize it and take it back to the original philosophy of Toni and Guy, which is suitability, femininity, and individuality, which is what we're famous for. So allowing the haircuts to be movable, commercial, and versatile is key. For us to create that, we've got to use the right products. If we as professionals need the right products to create the looks, how much more of a non-professional? So we've, as an art team, tested and tried and created a range called Label M. That's a hair care range that allows the hairdresser and the client to create that look which you see in magazines. Very simple to use, pretty much does what it says. And it obviously looks lovely, it's a very professional range that we've constantly tested and tried. Very innovative range that allows us to create the looks, whether we do hair in the salon, whether we do hair in the academy, whether we do our photo shoots or at London Fashion Week. It allows us to create the looks that we achieve year after year after year. What are we using? Talk to us about the products and why the product is important when you're creating the texture, especially with interactive.
So hairdressing techniques, same as before. Well, graduation, layering, one leg technique. What makes it new is the products, and which in this case, backstage what we used was a little bit of a technique cream, a little bit of a volume mousse, which can make a base of a texture, so it can go bigger, even texture, or you can make a little bit wavier. So here, I'm putting a little bit moisture back in before I start to dry it off, which I've just finished the base of the haircut. Then after we put the products in, it's not the finish. You can put it on, add it on more and more as you cuts finish when it's on the dry hair to keep on producing the texture bit by bit.
Bit by bit. Okay, so working with Jane. Let's see what Jane's up to with the colour.